Alright, here we have a 1/43 scale Chevy Tahoe, again, 2010 version. This is actually a first response replicas model. Again, they no longer are making models and sold all the rights. And I think the model making, the tooling, molds and everything, the die-cast molds to Greenlight. So Greenlight's now producing these. And this is a Chevy Tahoe 1/43 scale, decaled, and pretty basic lighting and pretty basic decals because this is Indiana State Police, so not a whole lot going on there with decals. Fairly basic decaling with these. I thought they actually had blue stripes on them, but evidently, that's not what we're dealing with. This is again running off 9 volts. Very basic. Like I said, just for a little train layout the guy wanted, and I just wanted some lights made to get the point across. So not a whole lot done to this one. Flashing headlights, and the push bumper is, what did I do with it? Oh well, it does have a push bumper. When I send it to you, it will have the push bumper. But anyway, Indiana is state police. Like I said, commercial. I don't know if I mentioned it. Commercial vehicle unit. Flashing headlights, red and blue strobe, and flashing taillights. So, pretty cool model. Like I said, again, enough to get the point across as to what needs to be done. And it's a police car, and it has lights. So that's what we need to know. So thank you very much, and I'll get these sent out. You can see your little Fort Wayne cars back here behind me too. I'll get those sent out. Get this sent out to you probably Saturday or Monday. All right. Thanks again, man. Appreciate it.